today's classes. So class, today is 5th March 2021 and the day is Friday. So as we all know, from Monday we are going to have our assessments. So this is going to be the last day of our online classes. I will not say last class because we have classes today. So this is the last day of our online classes. So from Monday there will be no class. It will only be your assessment. Before beginning today's class, I would like to wish all of you best of luck for your assessments. Class, if you find any problem during your test, any issues related to your submissions, please call me there and then and ask me and get it resolved. You all are requested to submit your work timely in a PDF form on the Google Class only. Clear? So after our today's classes, I am going to share the Google Classroom code once again. Kindly check, ask your parents to check once again whether you have joined the class or not, isn't it? And in case you have any issues regarding the classroom joining also, please ask me so that you won't find any problem on the day of your assessment. Clear? So what are we going to do today? A quick revision of two topics that we have done, transport and helpers. So we have been learning about these topics many times. You are completely familiar with different types of transports and different helpers who are helping us in our daily work, isn't it? So what are we going to do today? Today I have some questions for you with answers. So how the question is asked and how you have to answer those questions is what we are going to learn in this class. Clear, everyone? So let's begin with the class. One by one, we are going to do the questions related to both these topics and I'll try to cover maximum questions I can. In case any doubts, again I am saying don't feel any sort of hesitation, just ask me. Okay, let's begin then. Okay. So class, now let's first start with social or community helpers. So as I told you in our revision, we are going to revise about different helpers. First of all, who is a social helper? The the individuals who live with us in our community and they help us whenever we need them. So social or community helpers are those individuals or group of people who are committed to help others in their need. They live and work in our community. Isn't it? This I have told you many times. And how we can identify different social or community helpers? With their uniform, tools they use, special vehicles they use, or by knowing about different buildings in which we can meet them or they have their offices there. Understood? Now let's see, understand and answer few questions related to our helpers. Ready for that? Okay. Now you have to answer the following questions. Let us start reading these questions one by one and then we are also going to answer them. So the first question we have is, who delivers letters and parcels at our home? So can anyone tell me who is the one helping us in getting parcels, or you can say online shopping things that you order? तो वो कौन deliver करता है? Either it's a postman or a delivery boy, isn't it? And I told you that these postmen and delivery boys, they can be, postman is the one who wear khaki uniform, isn't it? Then if we talk about delivery boys, you must have seen people coming from Amazon, people coming from Zomato, delivering foods and so many things. Amazon we have, then we have Big Basket, from where you can order your daily grocery, vegetables, fruits, everything. So these are the people called postman or delivery boys. Understood? Now, the next one we have is who treats sick people? So, whenever we fall sick, जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं, so where we go? Who is the one helping us at that time? A doctor and a nurse, isn't it? And can anyone tell me where we can see this doctor and nurse? Yes, they are found in hospitals. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the special uniform a doctor or nurse wear? A doctor wears a white coat. Nurse, you will see either she is wearing a white coat or she is wearing a white tunic. Isn't it? So this is their dress. Or you can call it a uniform as well. Now the next one we have is who catches the thieves? So before that, can anyone tell me who is a thief? Yes, the person who steal the things, जो चोरी करते हैं, जो गंदे लोग होते हैं. So now who catches them? Who is responsible for law and order? A policeman. Yes, a policeman, he catches the thieves. They control the traffic. You remember? Hello, Mr. Policeman. What do you do? I control the traffic and catch thieves too. Isn't it? So, next one is who stitches our clothes? So, hello, Mr. Dash. What do you do? I stitch your clothes, old and new. Hello, Mr. Postman. So, poem के साथ मजा आ रहा है ना? Hello, Mr. Postman. What do you do? I stitch your clothes, old and new. So, who stitch your clothes? A tailor. So, tailors stitch our clothes. Clear? Then we have who helps in repairing our who helps in repairing our taps and leaking pipes. So can anyone tell me, whenever we have any problem in our washrooms, if tap is not working or any pipe is leaking there or you have any issue in kitchen, so किसको बुलाएंगे आप? अगर किचन में वाटर सप्लाई में प्रॉब्लम है या आपके वॉशरूम में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो whom you are going to call? Hello, Mr. Plumber, what do you do? I fix your leaking pipes and taps too. Isn't it? So we are going to take help from a plumber. Okay. So next one we have is who cuts our hair? So can anyone tell me, whenever your hair grow big, जब आपके hair big हो जाते हैं, so whom you are going to take help? खुद से scissor लेके start हो जाते हो cut करना? No, we don't. So we take help from a hairdresser or a barber, isn't it? Next we have is who helps us in keeping our surrounding clean? हमारी जो सराउंडिंग है, नियर बाय एरियाज़ होते हैं जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं या हम स्कूल के नियर बाय एरिया हो गया या कोई पब्लिक पार्क हो गया, हु इज़ कीपिंग दैट एरिया क्लीन? उन जगहों को कौन साफ रखता है? A sweeper has a broom to clean every room. A sweeper has a mop to wipe every drop. You remember it? So who helps in keeping our surroundings clean? Sweeper. They first collects all the garbage. Broom से वो सारा collect करते and then they carry it away. वो फिर अपने साथ वो सारे garbage को garbage truck या garbage van में भर के ले जाते हैं. Clear? Then next we have is who mend our shoes? So who is the one? जब आपका कोई शू प्रॉब्लम होता है, टूट जाता है या उसको पॉलिश करना होता है, तो whom you are going to ask? It's a cobbler. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up, stitch it down. Then I'll give you half a crown. Yes. Now, who controls the traffic? Someone we have already discussed about. The one who catches the thief? A policeman. But when we are talking of traffic, it's a traffic policeman. Okay? So who controls the traffic? A traffic policeman, or you can call the policeman standing at signal. आपको signal के बारे में भी पता है ना? तो जो भी policemen signal पे होते हैं, they are giving their duties there. They are responsible for controlling the traffic and the traffic jam. Clear? The last one, the last question is, who teaches you? So who is the one telling you about your surroundings, about everyone? It's a teacher. Who teaches you? Teacher. जिनको आप मैम भी बोलते हो. Okay? So after this, let's move ahead as we have revised about helpers. Now we are going to revise about transports. So, what are the different modes of transports? 3 different modes we have. Air transport, land transport and water transport. Isn't it? Ma'am has told you that we have 3 different modes of transport. So what is air transport? The one that can fly in the sky. Land transport are those move on the land, or you can call road. And the last one is water transport. So these are the one that move on waterways, जो पानी के रास्ते चलते हैं. Clear? So let's answer few questions here now. Okay, before answering the questions, one more thing that we should revise that we have learned in the topic transport, that is traffic signal or traffic light. So can anyone tell me what is a traffic light? Yes, it's a set of automatically operated colored lights. आपने देखा है कोई वहां पे खड़ा होकर इन लाइट्स के बटन्स को ऑन ऑफ तो करता नहीं है. देखा है आपने किसी को ट्रैफिक लाइट पे खड़े हैं, पहले वो रेड लाइट का ट्रैप बटन ऑन किया, फिर येलो लाइट का बटन ऑन किया, फिर ग्रीन लाइट का बटन ऑन किया? नहीं देखते ना. सो दीज आर ऑल ऑटोमेटिकली ऑपरेटेड. ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलती हैं, इनको प्रोग्राम किया जाता है. ओके, सो they are having different colors like red, yellow and green for controlling traffic and controlling the traffic jam. Okay, you remember we have done this? Great. Now let's proceed and see what's next we have. Okay, now comes the questions. So let's answer the questions given here. Name any 3 land transport. So when I ask it this way, you have to tell me the name of minimum 3 vehicles that move on land, or you can call on road. Yes, can anyone tell me the 3 different transports that move on land? We have car, we have bike, scooter, bus, truck. Then we have taxi. Then what else we have? Yes, we have yes, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. So all these are different land transport. Clear? So you can tell name of any 3. Now next we have is name any 3 air transports. So now you have to tell me the name of different air transports. Can you tell me 3 different air transports? The one that fly in the sky? Aeroplane. Then we have helicopter. We have glider. We have hot air balloon. We have rocket. Isn't it? So I have told you 5. You can tell any 3 among them. Then the next question here is, name any 3 water transport. So which are water transport? The one that move on water. Now we cannot move our car on water, car, bus, cycle. They cannot move on water, na? Neither an aeroplane can move on water और aeroplane road पे भी move नहीं कर सकता. So we have different transports for different areas. So now when we are talking about water transports, we have ship, boat, ferry, submarine. Then if we are talking of boat, we have different boats, like we have rowboats, we have motorboats, sailboats, isn't it? These are different type of boats we have. Now, which is the fastest means of transport? So fastest mean I am talking कि जब आपको कहीं बहुत जल्दी जाना है, you don't have time, और आपको बस फास्ट उस जगह पे पहुंचना है, which transport you will prefer? Yes, it is air transport, because air transport is referred as the fastest means of transport. मैंने आपको बताया ना, if you want to go towards Bangalore, या आपको दूसरी कंट्री में जाना है, किसी और कंट्री में जाना है, you have the best way you can go is by air. Road, waterways, they are not possible to go. Okay, so what you can go with? By air, using aeroplane, helicopter, and so on. Now, what is traffic light? I just told you. Yes. What is traffic light? I have just told you. A set of automatically operated colored lights, which are red, yellow, green. Isn't it? So if I ask what is traffic light? Traffic light is the one which we use for controlling traffic, and a set of lights that are operated automatically. Okay. What is the significance of 3 different colors in a traffic light? So we all know that traffic light has 3 colors. So can anyone tell me what is the significance of these 3 different colors? Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, wait right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Thank you, red, yellow, green. Now I know what traffic light means. Okay? Now the next question we have. So like this, we have learned that red light says stop, yellow says wait, and green says go. So what is zebra crossing? When we were doing this topic, I told you that there is a sign on the road which is having some white lines drawn. Yes, what is zebra crossing? A crossing from where the people who are walking can cross the road. If you want to cross the road from one side to other, then you all have to use zebra crossing, because that is the mark where all the people know that they have to slow down the vehicles. Now, I have a question here. Is playing on roadside safe? Do you think रोड साइड पे हम लोग बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल खेल सकते हैं, और वी कैन राइड बाइसिकल देयर विदाउट हैविंग एनी अडल्ट? No, not at all. So we should always play in park and garden and not on the roadside. Is that clear to everyone? So class, now we have revised 2 topics, helpers and transports. I hope I have considered few rhymes also, and think that you have understood the topic clearly, isn't it? So what you have to do, you have to revise all the questions which we have done for helpers as well as for transports. Clear everyone? So class, I hope you have understood well. Now it's time that we move ahead to our next class and see what else we are going to do revisions today. Bye for now and get ready for the next class. Take care.